I'm Juliana.
And today we're doing a slime.
Yeah.
So, my sister Juliana is going to teach you how to do slime.
Yeah.
And I
need the whole entire thing of slime.
So, if you have a whole green thing of slime, it's fits in the chocolate. And she's really good at them, but I can't do them. So, that's the weird thing. So, she's going to do this. Look how cool it is. It doesn't work sometimes, but
I'm going to try a couple more.
she's going to try.
And then Maddie's going to show you how to do a swirl.
Yeah.
Because I'm not really good at it either.
Yeah.
We have different things we do.
Yeah, so like what you do, you like flatten it and you pull them up like here because when it makes a U, it's not gonna work out. But see,
No.
the white stuff is the cool one.
Yeah,
It's like so cool.
Yeah.
The green slime is so cool.
I feel like it's going to glow in the dark, but it doesn't.
Yeah,
But
it's so
they still,
green.
and the slime's only for $5 because it's big.
Yeah, it's from Five Below.
Yeah! Yay!
Whoa.
I made that.
Oh, so this is where the sticky stuff. It looks
Yeah.
like a spider web almost. So now I'm gonna teach you how to do this.
I know how to do it. And Maddie's going to teach you how to do a swirl.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do it like this, and you're gonna do this, and
You could do it 5 times.
yeah, you're gonna do
See,
this.
you get better and better.
And you just, it's simple. All you do is roll it, and you make this, flatten it down, it makes
And
a
then
really cool thing.
show it up to the video. Come closer, come closer.
It makes so
Yeah,
cool.
it's like that. It's like I take a swirl. Ooh.
I know.
Maddie, I accidentally picked up one of these and it went through the deck.
Oh my god. Okay, so look how cool this is. So we're each gonna have half, and we're gonna do something
Yeah.
really weird.
Mommy,
So she's gonna get some cool things that we're gonna use.
you just
To
talk
use
to
the
the
video.
video.
So-
cut the
so-
slime in half.
Yeah.
So we get
You
each
need a
to
knife. You need like.
Mom's gonna cut it in
Can we
half.
get a fork? Fork? I said fork.
What's fork?
I don't know. Let's get a fork.
I have a fork.
Can you get a fork?
Mommy's cutting it
So
in half.
my mom's gonna cut it in half, like beautiful mom. Maybe less.
Hey guys. Whoa.
Whoa. This is. Can you get us
A fork?
Yep. 2 forks, please.
Okay.
Plastic one.
Yep.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Look how weird this is. This is like a.
I know it rips and stretches really
Woo!
good. Woo!
Wow.
Look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. A
So we
swirl.
each get our own half, and guess what we're gonna do with it? We're gonna do weird things with them.
That's
so like
weird.
she's doing a swirl and fork. I don't know what she's doing. I know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do this.
Mom, look.
Whoa! Do this. Boom, 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 boom.
I'm gonna make
Whoa.
it stick to the fork.
Look how weird this is. Look, it looks like a little peak or something. Oh yeah. Look, I'm gonna make mine stick to the fork too. Like this. Oh, that's so cool.
I know it is.
Oh,
I'm gonna poke it.
I'm gonna make my whole fork go in it. So what I'm gonna do?
I'm gonna do slime bubble and poke it with the fork.
half of.
Wait, I know what to do.
So I'm gonna do
Put my
this.
fork like this.
This. And I'm gonna do the fork right over here and there, just like that.
That's cool. And then
yeah.
mix it.
This and there, just like this. This makes a little I don't know what it's called.
Sorry.
It's okay. Oh, the things. So we love slime. We have like a lot of slime.
One time we got a pink and an orange one, but it got ruined.
Yeah, because we actually made different slimes out of it.
Yeah. Out of the pink one, we made like a purple stretchy slime.
Mm-hmm.
It was really clicky.
Yeah, really, really good.
Want me to make a humongous slime bubble?
Yeah, but we're not gonna miss this slime because it's. Yeah, we actually bought this.
My mom bought it. I used, she paid them $3 because I bought stuff as my allowance.
Whoa! Look how cool this is. Guess where my fork is, guys? It's in here.
Ah, my fork. Mom,
Whoa.
where
Ready?
did
I'm
my
gonna
fork go?
Where did it go?
It went in the slime.
I know. Look.
Wow, what if it could
Wow.
poke? It poked, but it's weird to poke.
So guess what?
Let's see.
I'm gonna try to make a slime bubble. You're gonna see me.
You're not going to be able to make one, only if you could.
Oh! Oh! I really want to.
Wait, I'm going to try one. And then you can give the slime to me.
So,
We don't have to put it in half because we can take turns.
yeah. So stretch this. I don't know how to do it, but
No, you lay it down and then say you lay it down. You're gonna stretch it like this.
All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So bye, guys. Bye.
Say it again, G.